I'm about to go fucking death. Welcome to Lightsaber Battlegrounds. Today I just need to go to a far distant place. Because if I don't, I'll get fucking killed. A few people here are probably sweat lords. I said that in the most horrible way ever. I have absolutely no idea how to pronounce. Well, so I'll just go over there. It's gonna take a little while. Should be fine. If someone follows me, I am going to absolutely cry. I have absolutely no idea where we're going. Yeah, I have absolutely... Here's easy enough. This is no tutorial on how to get Darth Vader, but it is something close to it. Actually, not close at all. Rather, tips and tricks on how to play this game. Or if you want, you can stare at the chat for about 10 minutes, maybe. I think, oh fuck, I just beat up half. Tips and tricks. Trick number one. If you're ever facing someone like a friend or something who you know has like a low awareness, you want to use this. Just blind them, because if not, it looks like this. That's trick number one. Trick number two is if you're ever backed up in something and your only option is block, make sure no one can jump down from you above, because if they can, you're pretty much screwed, unless they're an ally or someone who's not going after you. Just make sure of that. And trick number three is if you're ever facing someone, make sure they don't get into blocking, like this. Make sure they don't get behind you, because if they do, your block won't do shit. Number four is if you ever don't know, if you're like facing someone and you're using push, like, you don't know the distance to push, like, you need to find out in case just wasting your force, just change to lightning, because lightning is precisely like, just the exact same as push, except it actually shows you the distance and how far you can hit someone, like, if you're ever facing someone, like alone, the best one to use is freeze, because it'll allow you to stop them from moving and hit them enough. If however you're facing a large group, lightning or push will be the best. If you're trying to get someone close to you, do not use pull, because it is really hard to aim for. Same goes with choke. And don't ever use heal, because no one else does. If you ever want to confuse an opponent, then probably use Lightspear, because I've never seen a single damn person ever using Lightspear, which is a bit confusing since it's actually pretty good. It's also pretty good facing people with this one. But yeah, and if you're near lava and you don't really know how to get rid of someone, switch to push and try and aim them towards the side to get them off. If that doesn't work, you're kind of screwed. I don't know what else to say after this. That's why you get around someone who is blocking like this. Would be to flip, finish off the reactor already, and just attack. Most response to that would probably to be flip you and stop blocking. Essentially, yeah. So I'm gonna do the entire thing and just wait my force return. Scenario versus blocking. You flip. Shit, that's not right. Person's blocking. Person's blocking. I'm dumb at this. Present blocking. See, so get behind them. Start attacking. Your response will usually be to flip around and throw. Your response to that is this. For more tricks and tips, probably just absolutely nothing. Oh, that's all for today. So, don't mind. Screw it, since I don't really have anything else, I'm just gonna show you location or something. It's not useful, but it'll be fun. That's not gonna help me at all. I'm just gonna go this way. Probably at that 10-minute mark already, so I might fucking need to start recording. The audio sounds delayed is because I don't even know why the recording app does that. Or if I'm just gonna commit suicide. Yeah, there we go. Still wasting my time. Oh god, that's funny. Yeah, just continuously go this way. Spawn some around here. And keep going this way. Just keep going. Eventually, you'll... Alright, I'm just... Ah, there it is. Here is the dark saber. Oh, got it. Oh, so this is basically a bunch of long, comfortable notes. If you listen to me sound dead inside, hearing a bunch of loud flashes in the background, and seeing probably something interesting happening up here. But other than that, I think you should have a good day. Anyways, that's all, folks. I hope to see you never again, because my throat is literally dying.